Hello everyone, welcome to the UltFone channel. Today's video will show you the fastest way to remove the iCloud activation lock on your iPhone 7 in 2025 using UltFone iPhone Unlock. It's super simple, let's get started. First, download UltFone iPhone Unlock from the official website to your computer. Connect your iPhone 7 to your computer and launch UltFone iPhone Unlock. On the main screen, select the Remove iCloud Activation Lock option and then click Start. This will initiate the process of putting your iPhone into recovery mode. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, the software will guide you through the subsequent steps to enter DFU mode. To enter DFU mode, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously. After the countdown ends, release the power button but continue holding the volume down button until your iPhone enters DFU mode. At this point, UltFone iPhone Unlock will begin removing the iCloud activation lock. This process is quick. Please wait a moment, the software will complete. After unlocking, your iPhone 7 will restart. If you see a message saying your iPhone has been locked to a previous owner, don't worry, just continue setting up your device and it will be back to normal. Done! You have successfully removed the iCloud activation lock on your iPhone 7 using UltFone iPhone Unlock. You can find the download link in the video description. UltFone iPhone Unlock is designed to help you solve passcode problems on your iPhone, iPad, and iPod, making it easier for you to regain access to your device. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.